Glock 17 that ever in a way. So no try this ring cause you will get.
My viewers, the killer them abduct businessman slash chopper Killy a Westmoreland and carry him gang go dirt him. So no welcome to my channel and welcome to another brawling review. We have that for talk about. So no drop some like pan a video. Subscribe to my channel if you no subscribe yet. So here we go on to them people. Schoolers versus a big woman. A schoolers use a big stone and bounce out mama head. Plus gunman murder Scalie a Rallington town. So before me jump in at the reasoning and make you know where I go on, pre this.
Watch out!
My viewers, me no know if that woman is mental, you know, or me no know if a them first trouble the woman, you know, and the woman did have to back out her knife in her bus, you know, to defend herself, you know, but there's a video there I wrote right now where everybody has see, where I look at school youth use a big stone and bounce out mama head back. Mama drop flat on the ground in front of all police and the youth dig off and all. No, nobody can find the youth. So see the video yeah, I yeah, so it start from, you know, in the coaster bus here, you know. Wanna see mama act like she crazy, you know. I cuss out everybody with big knife in her hand, you know. So my people, two wrongs don't make a right. And where she did a go on with a foolinish, and where the youth go on with a bigger foolinish, me I tell you no. Cause him could have take the woman 3 pints, you know. Even though she could have take one of them 3 pints in the bus too with her knife, you know. So my people, tell me what you think about this. Juvenile them for respect the elder them, and the elder them for respect the future of Jamaica too. The thing go both ways. Me nah go there right here so I tell Pitney say for respect elder, and elder no respect Pitney. So my people, tell me what you think about that. Walk with me and now. See that man you wanna see on the screen. Some people call him Scalie, and the gunman them murder him a Rallington town. Take him matic off of him waist and gone with everything where belongs to him. My viewers, inna the streets is getting hot, you know, and the youth them a get cold, you know. You remember the Richie Spice there? You know, if you do them nothing for them come take your life, you know, and drag out your soul, you know. I'ma tell you this, my viewers. Your success alone would make them youth you come dirty, boy. Yeah. Once as them here say you own a business, you have a 1 car, a 1 license to your name, and some money in your account, the killer them a race for come take your 3 pints, a race for come flick your butt, for go back and go sit down and laugh and say a them did murder the businessman there, a them did murder the boy there and take off him license off of him belly and see it you know. Do one every day. You them nah go look no work boy yeah. Them a go pray upon una until thy kingdom come. Cause whether man you coulda do to them, for them just hold on upon him so, dirt him so, and do all of this. But everything wanna see a take place boy a program. So them coulda done line up Scalie already. And know say them a go step to him already and take him 3 pints already. And see it yeah. Boy them dirt the man me I tell you no some little low life bad boy. So my people, gonna walk with me now. This is businessman slash chopper, 37-year-old Gavin Mayers, aka Killy, where the killer them abduct him from Westmoreland and carry him go dirt him right now. Killy operate a car mat. Can it be because of that make the killer them drag him out and gone with him and go and take him 3 pints? My viewers, when you look pon the man here, you know say that brother you're involved in a something, you know. You know why the killer them go fame already, you know. So see it yeah. All I who did I think like say Killy. or the businessman who only years get abduct from down a Westmoreland was a law-abiding citizen and did a follow the rules all the days of him life? No. Enough of them boy do all type of thing for get rich. And when them get rich now, them a try turn them business a go the legal way. But more while, it not happen for a lot of them. Till see it ya, me no know how him go cross or how for to him tap pan and the man them decides if he come crush him out. But people, who no do the maths. You feel like say the man them a go bring back Killy? You feel like say the man them who abduct him a plan for bring him back alive? Thing no work so boy ya. I'll know we can't find Lana Robertson, that JLP lady there. And remember me tell you know where she there already, you know. So I could have the same thing for businessman / chopper Gavin Mayers, aka Killy, get himself in a hot water and a no pot water till see it you know. Killer them gone with him. Some of viewers walk with me. I'm going to show another video here where the search team still a search for Destroy Smith. That look a school youth there. Pre this. People them still a search for 11-year-old Destroy Smith. That youth you wanna see on the screen who attend New Hope Primary where the heavy waters wash him with Monday at Westmoreland. But people, where is Destroy Smith? Him family them already know say him drop out, you know. Them just want a body, you know, fi keep a 9 night and a funeral, you know, fi say seat ya and accept them fate, you know. And nobody can find him all now. I coulda wish part him wash we gone. That would I like for know, you know. And it's when me look upon that situation, yeah. Me do the review and me tell the youth them say, yo, it's when rain a fall, I prefer you just keep on yourself quiet till the rain cool down. And me hear them a talk about that is a drainage. That thing they look big like a gully. That would have wash away anybody. It look like it need all railing pan it. So the people them at the school there, New Hope Primary and Junior High, would need to look into that. Fix that drainage there. You see me? Anybody could have get wash away in that. All big people can get wash away in that. Some of viewers, the search team, still a search for Destroy Smith. The youth you wanna see on the screen. Them nah give up until them find a body. Some of viewers, until next time, I go take with myself, you know. Protect on the 3 points of road. You see me?
Glock 17 that ever in a way. So no try this ring cause you will get